My son just turned 1 last week, and oh my god, life after having a baby, completely different. If you're anything like me, you know that balancing work and being a mom is a completely struggle. But here's the thing. You're not alone, mama. And by the end of this video, you will have some actually good business ideas that will help you make money from home. And no, don't worry, I am not going to throw the same boring suggestions at you. So stay here because this might change your life. Let's start with something simple. If you love making things, this is your time to turn that into money. And the best part is, if your kids are old enough, they can help. You're spending extra time with them while you build a business. But here's the problem. Everyone and their grandma is selling handmade products. I mean, just look at Etsy, and honestly, it's hard to stand out. But what if instead of selling, you become the go-to supplier? Let's say you make soap. Instead of just selling the soap, why not sell soap making kits? This is what you can put in this kit. The basic ingredients they will need, step-by-step instructions, and as optional in your store, add-ons one-time tools like blenders, molds, cutters, anything they just need to use once. And here's why this is a genius idea. You can make videos showing how to use your kit, and those videos also work as a free marketing. Plus, if people love the process, they'll keep coming back to buy new materials from you. And if your videos go well, you'll get paid by AdSense as well. So it's a win-win. But what if crafts are not your thing? Well, don't worry. Let me ask you something. And here's what I need you to write down, okay? What do you know really well? What are you really good at? And girl, before you say nothing, I'm good at nothing, let me just breathe, okay? And stop it right now, okay? Because you are good at something. Trust me, everyone knows something that someone else wants to learn. Even if it feels obvious to you, I promise you it's valuable for somebody else. For example, I'm really right here giving you ideas because talking about business is what I'm passionate about. I love helping people. And I am also a mom who needs help, as you can tell. So helping you, I help myself, right baby? You see how that works. Can you teach other parents how to make kid-friendly meals? Or maybe, I don't know, share organization hacks? Let me ask you, are you good at your time? Maybe you can create a scheduling. Girl, trust me, the possibilities are endless, okay? So just think about it. I promise you, you're going to find something. And I hope you wrote down your answer to all these questions, because right now, I need you to tell me in the comments, what are you good at? And maybe we can work on a business idea for you. And if you're still, trying to figure out what business ideas do, don't worry, just go to this video right here. I hope I'm pointing right. I never am, but just go to this video right here, and then I break it down step by step. So lately, I've been taking my baby to this indoor playground. And let me tell you, it's a game changer. The only reason I've been doing it is because I work from home. But here's the problem. Most indoors playgrounds are kids focused only. I mean, I get it, it's for kids. But what if we flip that idea and make it about the parents? Before you think I'm crazy, hear me out. Imagine an indoor playground where parents can get their work done while their kids are having fun. I mean, literally, I wrote this script while my baby was playing in there. And whatever, this is how you make it. Make sure the parents know you offer free coffee, you offer free Wi-Fi, and you can also advertise it this way. Why pay for daycare if you can come here and work while your kids are having fun and you can keep an eye on them? He's screaming. If you make it right, I'm telling you, parents would choose you over the free playgrounds around, even over the paid ones, because you are focusing on the parents. You're telling them, hey, you can work here and then your kids can have fun. You don't have to pay for expensive daycare, so come here. And if you're solving a problem, but maybe dealing with people isn't your thing, that's cool too. So why don't you build an app instead? Now, you might be thinking, ugh, an app? What are you talking about? Don't worry, I got you. I'm going to explain you this better. Here's a problem for you. Moms like me need a better way to stay organized. What if you build an app that helps moms manage their daily tasks? For example, track their kids' schedules or plain meals. Or if you want to go extra niche, here is a problem I really have, and it's an app I really need. So write this down. I need something that gives me scripts ideas, analyzes reels, check what's going on social media, and just put all together and helps me schedule all my posts. I've been paying a lot of apps, different apps to do all that, but I need one app that does all together. So seriously, if one of you build this, I am right here. I don't have a wallet, but I'm telling you, take my money, please, because I do need something like that. And speaking of brilliant, amazing ideas, what about subscription boxes? These are amazing because they keep the money coming back constantly every month. And if you want to target parents, for example, this is an idea for you. What if you start with a box that grows with the baby? So you can start during the pregnancy with essentials month by month. And I'm telling you this because when I was pregnant, I honestly didn't know what to get. And if I just had everything in one place instead of going to different websites and buy different pregnancy planners, it will be easier for me. Then when the baby is born, you can continue with these boxes like postpartum essentials and then month by month activities. You can be creative with this. Just look at your kid and look, what would I like for my kid if I was starting from zero? And the best part, again, is that subscription boxes bring constant income. And now, mama, for every idea I mentioned, the key is to be creative and commit to your idea. Also, you need to learn how to market it. Because here's the truth, having an idea is not enough. You need to know how to get people buying from you. So if you want to know how to get clients to grow your business, highly recommend you to go watch this video I'm leaving you right here, because there I break step by step how to get clients. And I know this will help you a lot. Don't forget, I believe in you, mama. You've got this, and see you next week. Bye. Mwah.